2024 Honda Transalp 750 Barkbusters installation video. Unboxing all the parts for the Barkbusters Transalp 750 build. Tools needed for install on 2024 Transalp 750. A small ratchet with an 8mm socket, an Allen that's a number 5, an Allen that's a number 4 with the ratchet. You can either use a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch. Most importantly, you're going to need some type of driving tool to get the bar end weights off, as they are thread locked in with the Phillips head screws. So you'll either need a drill driver or some kind of electric device to get them off, because they are thread locked in. This is a left-hand side of the backbone installed, loosely installed, and the perch is loosely installed, so you can adjust it to your liking according to the directions. But we'll go to the right-hand side and I'll show you how to install this, because there is a process, a left and a right. Installing the right-hand side of the handguard, you must take the perch off, install the handguard, and then put the perch back on loosely so you can adjust everything when you're about ready to complete the setup. Installing on the right-hand side, brake side, pretty simple process. Just screw everything in loosely, and with the right-hand side you have the weight, you have a washer, and there's a I believe it's a 13 and a 15mm bushing. They go in just like this. Then you raise this portion up and you just slide it in. Get your threads going by hand. And drive it in so it's somewhat loose, so you can adjust everything to your liking. And most importantly, so make sure you have no problems with the throttle. Once you get everything where you want, I would put some thread lock in these two, some blue thread lock, and that will keep everything together. And this is a blue thread lock right here. Now we're going to install the plastic guards, and you have a wing that has 2 positions. It has a low position, has a high position, and the button screws are for the outside. This piece here and here, the smaller screws, are for the wind wing. And you just want to snug them up a little bit. Don't over tighten them because it's plastic. And that's the complete installation. This is the complete installation of the Barkbusters VPS handguards on my 2024 Honda Transalp 750.